Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: the app, an account, and permissions. First, open Check and tap New Check. Choose a template if you prefer speed. Next, name the check clearly so you can find it later. Then, set the primary recipient and due date. This anchors automation. Once these fields are set, save and start the live recording or input mode. You're now through the gate. Move on to building the check content. Now you craft the workflow. Add each step as a concise action and include time estimates so you know pacing. Use conditional branches when tasks diverge. Set a yes/no trigger to route the check automatically. Include attachments, photos, PDF, or links, and label them so you can scan later. Once done, review the sequence allowed to hear flow and adjust timings. Make sure to enable reminders and assign owners. You're at the finish line. Run a dry test as the actual user to validate every branch and attachment. After a successful test, lock the check version and enable reporting so results are tracked. Export a report if stakeholders need it. If something breaks, start simple. Verify app permissions, confirm triggers fire, and check attachment links. If issues persist, duplicate the check and isolate the failing step. Finally, update documentation so future runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.